In this short tutorial, you will learn how to set the default browser in Android. The default browser is the one that opens automatically when you click on a link or open a web page. By setting your preferred browser as the default, you can enhance your browsing experience and save time by skipping the step of choosing a browser every time. To get started, swipe down from the top just like this and then tap on the gear icon at the top right corner of the screen. Once you are on the settings page, scroll down until you see an option called Apps. Once you find it, tap on it. After that, choose Default Apps. And then tap Browser App. Now you have the ability to set your default browser app. For example, I can select the Chrome browser as my default web browser. Tap on it to select it. This is exactly how you can set the default browser on an Android device. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.